How do you add a spouse in TurboTax? So first you gotta go to TurboTax and sign into your account. And then you wanna find your personal info. So you'd usually go to the home page or the dashboard. And on this left panel here, click on My Info. And then you would fill out your info normally. And when asked for your marital status, you want to select married, and then you want to select plan to file jointly, or you can choose married filing jointly if it doesn't display this. Then press continue, and you'll be prompted to enter your spouse's information, such as the full name, the SSN or ITIN, and date of birth. And then you'd press continue and confirm that you want to file jointly. And you'd also continue through the return and add your spouse's income and deductions as well. And if you've already started your return, you can go to filing status and change it from single to married filing jointly. Then add your spouse's info. And if you can't find it, you can expand the tax tools here. Click on tools and then click on topic search. And then you will need to type filing status and then click on it and then click on go. And it should take you to this page where you can change to married filing jointly and add your spouse's info. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and see you on the next one.